Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Strat channel, and today we are going to be making another parallax, but this time I've thought of a new idea of a parallax. So basically, if you don't know how to make a parallax, I will show you the tutorial. So I will, because you might have not seen the video where I made my latest parallax like long time ago, I think, like maybe last year, I don't remember. But anyways, let's just get back to scratch. So we're first gonna make a project by clicking the create button. So I wonder what sprite we should use to make the parallax. I think we can do a butterfly. That might be good. Like, I can make a butterfly, yes. So butterfly B, we are going to be using butterfly B because it looks much more better. So butterfly B, one green flag clicked. Switch costume to butterfly B. Yeah, that's already done. So now once we've done the butterfly, then we get to choose the blocks. So first we're going to start with the forever loop. Then we're going to go to the motion category and drag out the go to block and delete this 10 and 28. Now what we gotta do is we're going to go to the sensing category and we're gonna drag out mouse X and mouse Y. And then we're gonna go to the operators and drag out this slash thing. I don't know what this slash thing is, but drag out two of those or duplicate this one and make that. If you don't know how to duplicate, just double click it, and then press duplicate and then drag it out. It just comes out. So anyways, let's get back to the project. So first, we are going to be using mouse X. So I'm going to be typing 10, but if you wanted to expand, maybe you can put a bigger number or a smaller number to change the thing. I don't know. And then for mouse Y, you put the same number, and then put it here. Now put it in the forever loop, and as you can see, the butterfly is moving. Look at this parallax. It is so cool. And I want to show you something if you change the number. So let's imagine we changed it to 15. It might have changed the position and it would have looked like this. Might have changed the position, but it's okay. So butterfly, basically we're making a butterfly parallax. So now that we know this is the parallax, we are going to be making lots of parallaxes. So we are going to be dragging the butterfly here. Oh, it's coming here. Oh, well, I guess we are going to be getting another sprite and making it go to a different place. So I'm going to be dragging the... I wonder what I should get. I think we should put a building here. Some buildings, because the butterfly is flying in the city, I guess, maybe. So anyways, let's just get back to the project. So this is not really a normal project where I just make parallaxes, but it's just the way of my videos. I don't know. So anyways, let's get back to the project. Okay, so where is another building? We need to find buildings. Oh, well, there are buildings here in this costume. Whoa, there are a lot of buildings. What is that? What does this be? What does it even mean? Why did you do this? Did you just type in that V or what? Okay, this looks strange. Probably a skyscraper. What is this? What is this? It looks kind of weird. Like, that's not a house. I mean, what's this thing? This thing on top of it. So anyways, we're just going to go with this one because it's the best we can go. So it's like a work building. So we're going to be using the work building. And the butterfly is flying, so it's trying to come here, but why is it not able to go? Maybe we should put some wind animation. So let's put some wind animation. So how are we going to do that? Well, we can do it with costumes. Yes, costumes always help. So let's go ahead and make that wind animation. And so first we're gonna make a swirl. And then more out, and then like that. And then we keep spinning it. And then it moves like this. We move it a bit, and then we move it here. We also move it here, and then duplicate the costume again and move it. You have to keep moving it until it gets out of the screen. So then we're going to make it go over here. Well, that's a lot of costumes. I think we're gonna make 10, like 10. 10, yeah, we're gonna make 10. So then after we do that, then we go here and then we move it again. Oh, we need one last costume to make it disappear. So then the wind goes away. Yep, and there we go. We got it. So now let's try this wind animation out. So forever, we are going to be using a wait 1 seconds block and make that block 0.2. And then we do next costume. So first we're going to start with a switch costume to costume 10 and make that costume 1 and go to this position. So then we're gonna put this in the forever loop and see. Oh yeah, that is cool. So it's not able to fly. Oh no, how is it gonna fly? How is it gonna fly? Poor little butterfly, why does that rhyme? Okay, it doesn't rhyme, it's just the last word. Okay, so I thought this project wasn't gonna be that silly like this one, but just don't mind, okay? I'm just doing this to make this project fun for you guys. So now this butterfly is flying. Whoa, 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 my mouse is becoming big. So here we go. If you keep turning your mouse, the butterfly looks like it's struggling to go to the building. It's struggling to fly away. There's a building in the back and the wind is making it not able to fly forward. So that's why it is trying to fly, but it's not able to fly. So guess this poor little butterfly is stuck in the wind. Whoa, 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 whoa. Help me, help me. Okay, you know what? You know what? I'm just gonna type it. Yup, poor little butterfly. Help me! Oh no! Oh, poor little butterfly. Okay, I'm gonna make it talk. Help me! Oh, poor little butterfly. Okay, so we're gonna start the sound and let's see how it sounds. In 3, 2, 1. Was poor little butterfly. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's basically the end of the project. I am so happy about like this. That was basic. Yeah, well, because I'm trying to make it basic for the basic learners of Scratch. Well, people who want to learn Scratch projects, they should watch my channel so they can learn, even though some of my projects are advanced. This is kind of, but it's very less code, like a very, very less code. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time in the next Learn Scratch video. I can't wait. And also, please subscribe, like, comment on what I should make next, and don't forget to hit that notification bell if you want to see any more videos that come later if you do it. And then you will be able to check out all the videos that pop up and the latest ones that come and get all notifications that I hope you will enjoy. So bye, guys. Why am I talking like this? Okay, bye guys. That's my normal voice now. I don't know what happened earlier. But yeah, bye, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Wow, what is happening? Wow, what is happening to my mouse? Okay, let's just go now, okay? So bye, see you in the next project. I don't know why I am so silly today. Yeah. Why did it happen? What did happen? Why did he become like that? No!